This is Dean Scarce, April 25th, to show that he's not going to school with dirty clothes. We're going to show his clothes. See his pants? They're not dirty. See his pants? See his shoes? See how clean his shoes are. See his shirt? I don't like it, but it's not dirty. Okay, thank you, Dean Scarce.
I got a solution, buddy. The doctor at the hospital said 48-year-old disease.
This is Dean Scarce, April 26th. Stand directly in the sunlight, Dean. Get out of the shade. Somebody might think it's dirt on your breeches and your shirt. Clean shirt, clean pants. Okay? Turn around so we can see that you're clean all the way around. All right. Thank you very much, sir. Here's Dean Scarce on his clothes are clean. The star of his show. Okay, let me get real close. Close up on the pants. Oh, his pants are clean. His shirt is clean. Okay, turn around. And look, the back of his shirt is clean, and the back of his pants is clean, and his shoes is clean too. And so's his pretty haircut. Smile for the camera. Thank you very much.